How to make Blade of Grass in Terraria. So you cannot craft this massive sword without braving in the underground jungle right here. So first you absolutely must hunt down exactly 15 jungle spores from glowing green pods, and 12 stingers which are dropped by hornets or spiked jungle slimes, and exactly 3 vines dropped by man-eaters. Now once you have all the materials needed, stand next directly to an iron or lead anvil. And as you can see, we can now craft the blade of grass. You could also see the materials needed right here. So 12 stingers, 15 jungle spores, and 3 vines. So let's try to craft it just like that. And let's try to use it. So as you can see right here, it releases these projectiles or like these leaf projectiles. It's good for early game crowd control and is absolutely mandatory to combine it with the Muramasa, Blood Butcher, or Lightsbane and Volcano at a Demon Altar to craft the Knight's Edge. And that is how I basically make the Blade of Grass in Terraria.